With AnyList Complete, you can import recipes from popular cooking sites like All Recipes, Food Network, and Martha Stewart, as well as thousands of popular blogs, right into AnyList, so you'll always have recipes at your fingertips. AnyList's recipe import feature is available everywhere you find recipes. It works on your iPhone, iPad, and Android devices via the Share button. You can also import recipes on your Mac or PC using AnyList's browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Once you import a recipe into AnyList, there's so much you can do with it. Easily add ingredients to your shared shopping list so your whole family is on the same page. There's even an easy-to-read layout when you're ready to cook. If you're walking around the store and decide you want to make a recipe, you can quickly search through the ones you've saved by name or ingredient. You can also group your recipes into collections you can customize. The more recipes you save, the easier meal planning gets. Just add recipes to your meal plan, and AnyList will generate a weekly shopping list for you. With all that info in one place, shopping is easy, but that doesn't mean you have to do it yourself. AnyList integrates with curbside pickup and delivery services, so you can create orders right from your list. Whatever's on your list, check it off with AnyList.